All right, we're moving. Uh-oh. All right, guys. We got motion. We got motion. Here you go. These are just extra, extra geese fest. Extra geese fest right here. Let's see, they're just hanging out. Ooh, hello. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. I guess because I'm so close. I guess I shouldn't have stopped. I'll keep him moving then. He's just hanging out. Oh, yeah, it's time for me to go. All right, guys. I want to leave it on because it looked like we have quite a... Oh, this is so beautiful, man. I like how they just like glide on top of the water, like they're ice skating. It's funny because they're calm on top, but if you go underneath, their legs are like motorboat, just like pedaling really fast or whatever. Uh-oh, what's going on over here? I heard wings flapping. They seem calm on top, but they tread in water underneath. Incredible creatures. It's just like floating. How do they just just glide like that? It just look effortless, but it's a whole lot of treading water going underneath. That calm, peaceful flow. Chaos underneath.